This topic is for metabolic alkalosis. What occurs in the metabolic alkalosis? In metabolic alkalosis, there is retention of base. Retention of base and the pH of the body fluid increases. Now, causes. The causes of metabolic alkalosis are ingestion of base यानी bicarbonate ion, then loss of acid, vomiting. In vomiting, it occurs that from stomach H positive ion are vomited and bicarbonate ions left behind, which raises the pH of stomach content. This is the main cause of metabolic alkalosis. Then hypokalemia. Now comes to the next cause, loss of fixed H positive, loss of hydrogen ion produces an increased arterial bicarbonate ion. Now, sign and symptoms of metabolic alkalosis. Sign and symptoms: confusion, hand tremor, then comes lightheadedness, and muscle twitching. Then nausea, and numbness or tingling, in face, hands or feet. Then prolonged muscle spasm, यानी tetany. These are the symptoms of metabolic alkalosis. Now comes to the compensation of metabolic alkalosis. Compensation of metabolic alkalosis. First line of defense. defense. According to Henderson-Hasselbalch equation, the reaction go forward. Carbon dioxide, H2CO3, to increase more H positive to neutralize base. Now second line of defense. In second line of defense, respiratory compensation mechanism start. Respiratory compensation, in which hypoventilation occur. Hypoventilation occurs to retain more CO2 more carbon dioxide to neutralize base. And the third line of defense. Maintaining volume by giving ORS and renal excretion of base and retention of hydrogen ion. This was the compensation of metabolic alkalosis.